Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram chat not showing problem. If you are facing issue with the Instagram chat not showing on your phone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to try and resolve the problem. First of all, update the Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update. After that, restart Instagram app, close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. A poor connection may affect the loading of chat messages. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down and tap on apps. In apps you can see here manage apps, tap on it and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Reinstall Instagram app, uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it. This can help in resolving any corrupted files. Check block list. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the person or people whose messages are not showing. If none of the above solution work, you can report the issue to Instagram. For that, open the Instagram app and go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down. You can see here help. Tap on it. Tap on report a problem. In report a problem, you should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can upload photo or a screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.